Very challenging price action the last 3 days. 3 days in a row of prop up type price action. We're used to seeing that where the market goes down and it's propped up in the afternoon. Basically, we're seeing 3 days in a row. Ever since FOMC on Wednesday, the market has just been in this prop up price pattern, and it's one of those patterns where the market tells us that it should go down, but it gets propped up instead. Monday was a good day, and on Monday we got back most of last week's losses. But since Monday, we've had 4 losing days in a row. It's been a rough week. Minus 1690 today, minus 280. Most of that was on Wednesday, so minus about 8,000 on Wednesday. Minus 9265 on the 200K portfolio, minus 1615 on the 50K portfolio for the week. Right near that worst case drawdown level, looking for a bounce. Extreme amount of congestion in here and choppiness and prop up, and I think the market should go lower. Oftentimes when we see the market get propped up and it cannot rally 3 days in a row, to me this is bearish. So the market sold off, prop up, doesn't follow through, and it ought to go down in my opinion next week, so we'll see. And a lot of strategies went short this week, and I thought they were kind of, the prop up took advantage of that, and we were not able to profit from those short strategies. But I look forward to next week and seeing what happens with this market as bonds continue to drop, interest rates continue to rise. In the midst of all of this news, the market still remains higher, much higher. And so let's look at it on a daily chart so you can see what I'm talking about. And here's the S&P way up here. Pandemic did all of this, barely pulled back at all, and now interest rates are up, inflation is up, and normal pullbacks are considered. It would be healthy to have a normal pullback, but the market does not want to because it has excess liquidity that the Fed is going to start removing next month. So next month could be sell in May and go away. So let's look at the trades on the day. So ES, Night Trader was up, Tick Fader was up. Tick Fader has been one of the top strategies of the week, taking advantage of this counter trend price action. 4 days in a row, you can see on this chart, it did well. Night Trader did well 2 nights in a row, but it did have several losers in a row as well. And so adaptive moving average, one of our top strategies, got short. The market ran up and then reversed, so lost on that. Kept continuation reversed, lost. And so just these fake prop-up rallies that shouldn't happen continue to happen. Tick reversal broke its losing streak. We had 4 losers in a row. You can see I thought these were great short entries. Market just does this parabolic move, stopped out. Great short entry, parabolic move, stop out, and then it moves lower. Great short entry, boom. And then today we got the short. So unnatural price action continues, but Tick reversal was able to capture that today. Tick pulse. Let's look at Tick Pulse. It's one of those strategies. Sometimes when you get short, the market, as soon as you get short, the market just feels like it's trying to fight with you. You get short and it just starts to rally. And so Tick Pulse was that way today. 2 losses in a row on Tick Pulse. And Cobra 2022 got long, stopped out. And so we only had 3 NASDAQ strategies trade today. 2 trades on Tick Pulse, 1 trade on Tick Reversal, and 1 trade on Cobra 2022. And Tick Reversal was the only one to win today. 2 losses on these 2 strategies, or 2 losing strategies right here. 2 trades on Tick Pulse, 1 trade on Cobra 2022, and 1 trade on Tick Reversal. So those are the trades on the day for Friday, April the 8th. Tough week, and looking forward to next week's for more resolution and to see if there is follow through to the downside. Would not be surprised to see a gap down. Market sell-off on Sunday night, gap down on Monday morning with all the prop-up price action that never really led to any significant rallies. And so it was all for naught, and we'll see that next week, I believe, as bonds have skyrocketed in price and interest rates this week. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.